Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Nailsea today. Didn't buy much, in fact this is all I bought. Radio controlled car, cost me £1. I was lucky, the controller was in one box and the car was in a different box. I spotted the controller first because if you know my videos you know I like to buy any radio controlled transmitters that I find on their own, because usually when you buy stuff in charity shops you only get the car, you don't get the transmitter. So when I saw that I was going to buy it, and then when I carried on rummaging I found the car. So pleased for £1. It must be pretty old. Marks and Spencer's PLC, model number 9356, reference T0975504303. I'm wondering if the 09 is the year. For use in the UK, frequency 27 MHz, made in China. So, it had ropey batteries in there that I replaced, and this takes a 9-volt battery which I had to replace, and it all works. But I started off saying it must be pretty old because when I tried using it, it was working, and I pushed forwards and backwards and I broke the stick off. The arm, well the stick most people call them. So I've super glued that back in place. And when I looked at the car after I'd put the fresh batteries in, there was two little bits of black plastic on the table, and it's the ends here had snapped off. So it's old plastic that's gone brittle. I've super glued those bits back in place, but I think they'll probably break off as soon as I shut it properly, which is why I'm doing the film now before I shut it, because super glue and plastic, when you put any stress on it, it usually cracks. So let's just see if we can get that in. I can't do it with one hand. No. Alright, I'll put my camera down and I'll try and shut it. That's shut, and that little bit goes around. There we go. I'm being extra careful because I've done this once already and those little bits snapped off again where I glued them. Well, in fact they snapped off again, but they didn't snap off where I glued them, they snapped off further up. So it's really brittle plastic. So we'll give it a little go. Oh, well, I'll just demonstrate. On. So it works. For £1, we got a little radio controlled car. Well, it's eating my batteries very quickly. This is the third attempt at filming it, and it was doing that shuddering all the time in the previous videos. So I put absolutely brand new fresh batteries in it, and it works. fine. But as soon as the batteries go down a little bit, then there's not enough power going to the front motor for the steering. I don't know if you can hear it, starts getting hesitant and starts clicking a bit. And the steering straightens up when I've still got my hands on the controller. So probably a good one to convert to a LiPo battery. It's 3 AA batteries, so that's 4.5 volts, which is, yeah, well, I suppose a freshly charged 1S LiPo would be alright, and a 2S LiPo would probably kill it. But it's certainly eating up the cheap Poundland batteries that I've got. Yeah, it's doing it quite a bit there now. Yeah, I think you can see what I mean now. So either buy decent batteries for it or upgrade them to something else. Oh, and the other thing is, my repair, my super glue repair, broke almost straight away. So the fix there would be to drill a hole up through the middle and put a bit of wire all the way through to give it some sort of support or reinforcement.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.